everyone, I'm Jenny, I'm Max, that girl from New Zealand, and these are my friends Sam and Casey. D2, woo! And this week we are doing the fart soundboard challenge. So basically what this challenge is that we play a fart from this magical soundboard, and whoever laughs loses. You also have to say the name of the fart because some of these are so perfect, like kazoo! Whoever loses this challenge is going to get a bucket of water thrown on them by the other two. So hopefully I don't lose. D2, woo! Okay, the first fart is anus madness. Okay, so me and Casey lost that round, obviously.
Here we have the clucking chicken. Okay, this one is called Puff Daddy. I was waiting for more, but
so far for the first round, it's D2, woo! Okay, the next one is Monica, you is stinky. And again, Monica, you is stinky. I see you laughing and just want to laugh. It's so hot, and next one's is.
for my next one, here is dueling buttholes.
That didn't give me that time.
No, that was good. So my one is Oprah Winfrey. And again, Oprah Winfrey.
I'm just happy to not be last at this point in time.
D2, woo!
The next one is called slide trombone. And again, slide trombone. We really aren't getting good ones.
Yeah.
I think we should have
Pre-chosen. Yeah. The next one is Old Sparky. And again, Old Sparky. Dang it.
We aren't finding really funny ones.
I'm gonna do the Bean Dipper. The Bean Dipper.
There. So I guess me and Casey have tied again. D2, woo! Round 3 starts off with donut cream filler. Yes!
My next one is Feces Pieces. No, I suck at this.
We know, that's why you're losing.
I'm going to go with Goose Gas. Again, Goose Gas. Just that bit at the end.
D2, woo! This next one is called Wet and Wimpy. Wet and Wimpy. Almost had you. If I did the action, I would have got both of you. I really would have.
Next up is Skid Marks.
As soon as I heard that name, I just thought of the college hall toilets and was like, oh.
Ready, set, blow. Ready, set, blow. We just have an update on the score.
Yeah, I think we need an update on the score right about now.
7 to Casey, 2 to Sam, and 5 to Dania. This is like
Horrendous.
I can do some laughing now.
Yeah. So we have reached our final round of the Soundboard challenge. This one is called The Unstinkable Molly Brown's Undergarments. Molly Brown's Undergarments. I just wait for Casey's reaction.
My final one is Prelude to a Crap. So for the finale, I'm gonna go with Symphatic Finale.
So that is it for this week's video. The final scores were 10, 4 and 7. So before we end this video, we're gonna film Casey being
dunked
with water.
Yes, let's do it!
Let's do this! They're all judging you. It's pretty much curse. Holy.
I don't think you should be celebrating my loss. I think I should be celebrating your loss.
This water is
Ice cold.
pretty much. This
We
is
can
why.
fill it with some mild cold as well, so it's faster.
No. Okay, so we've come outside to do this. Here's Casey. Me and Sam are going to attempt 6 litres of water onto her. You ready, Casey? Do you want to count down?
No, just do it.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Get the shower now. You gotta hit the wall.
Subscribe.